Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Sarah the Cowgirl. And today, I have a special friend with me, Haley. Hi. Or Lynn, as I would call her, which is her nickname, my older sister. And today, I've already opened the dock, so I know what's inside, but I'm going to show y'all what's inside today. So, let's get this open. Oh boy, look at this. Got the Lovellio 6 Jumbo Squishies. Strawberry, peach, lemon, banana, whale, and unicorn. Plus, a surprise bonus squishy, guys. This should be really awesome. So, Haley, I'm going to have you open it. Oh, really? I'll call it over Lynn.
Just call me.
Oh, okay. But anyway, you want that one?
Yeah, buddy.
Oh, you going to give me the unicorn? Thanks.
Unicorn.
Oh, you're going to be my favorite thing? Oh, you're going to get the whale? Oh, boy, you're so... Oh, I wonder what this is. I wonder, guys. Put that to the side. Oh, I get my favorite thing. Oh, you probably got your favorite things, huh?
Oh,
Sweet,
yeah,
sour,
buddy.
and animal. Got, I don't know. Just regular fruits. Y'all probably know. But, okay. So, hand me the package. Okay. First time for her on YouTube. And anyway, okay, so we have the strawberry. We got the peach. We got the lemon. We got the banana. We got the whale. And we got the unicorn. And bonus squishy. I guess the orange is the bonus squishy, guys. So, you want to do the orange squishy first, hey?
Sure.
You want to describe it? Okay, here you go.
It's small. And it's round. Keep that in mind. And it's orange. But most importantly, the way it squishes is amazing. And it's satisfying whenever it, is that the thing where it comes back up?
So, this squishy, what she's trying to say is it's a soft squish. It's really soft, really nice to squish, very satisfying. And it's also kind of slow. Not the slowest, but it's the slowest I've ever really seen. Okay, there's that one, guys.
Yeah, buddy.
So, which one next? Oh, and hint, guys, the reason why these are wrapped up, I don't think this one has it. Okay, it said on the package, on emails. I got this off of Amazon, guys. Link in the description for the link for the thing where I got it. But just in case if y'all want to get them. But anyway, this one, soft squish. It's really nice. And these, the reason why they're wrapped up is because they have each one of them has an individual smell. They all smell amazing, probably. And this one, can you just try it?
It has a light fade of orange and then it smells like
Something
sweet.
else. Like sweet at the end. Okay, which one next, Haley? Yours or mine? Pick
Let's
one.
do yours.
Okay, which one?
Any of them.
Okay, well, let's do strawberry first, because strawberries are kind of lucky for me. Let's find out where you open this thing. See, I did not actually open the package all the way. So, there we go. Sometimes it takes a while to find the opening for them. Okay. Ooh, cool. Never mind. Oh, man. Okay, Haley, take a whiff. A whiff. What does it smell like? What does it smell like?
It doesn't smell like a strawberry, I can tell you that.
Oh, it's like strong. It's like, it don't smell like good. Do not recommend the strawberry. Give this to someone else.
It does not smell that good.
Hey guys, so I'm going to kind of describe the terrible smell of this to you. But, I just had to talk about it for a little bit. But, this sounds like a...
It's terrible. It kind of smells like chemicals mixed in with some dirty laundry. It's gross.
It's not bad.
And
But
it
there's that
releases the scent every time
you squish it. Now our room's going to smell like dirty laundry and chemicals. I'm not keeping that. I don't know. Okay, Lynn, pick one.
Oh, let's do this. I'm tempted to
Oh.
see what it smells like.
I hope this smells good. The terrible one.
Do you want me to smell it? I'm really scared. Ooh, this one
Okay,
doesn't
hand
smell
that
that
over.
bad, but it doesn't.
It still smells like chemicals.
It smells like a slide.
Lemon and chemicals. That's what it smells like, Lynn.
It smells like a slight thing with the chemicals, though. And Ooh, it's
Yeah.
really soft and it's so
Oh, and
satisfying.
this nasty one right here, it smells really good. Recommend it if you do not breathe it in. But it's a soft squeeze, and it goes up nice and slow, very satisfying.
It's a great stress reliever.
Yes, that's why I got them, because I always get stressed out. I'm not keeping that. Now how about that one, Lynn?
Oh, it's great. It rises slow but kind of fast, and
It's a little faster than the
it's-
terrible chemical strawberry.
and it's really soft and squishy.
Well, no,
Like
it's
a
squishies. Okay, so has an okay smell, not as bad as a strawberry. Oh, it hit me. Oh,
I recommend the lemon.
Recommend the lemon if you're used to the smell of the bad smells. So, but if you don't breathe it in, it's really satisfying. I'm like holding my breath right now. It's really satisfying. You just squish it, squeeze it. It's kind of fast, like Lynn said, but it's a squishy still, and it feels really good. Not smell good though. Hooks Banana's worth it, man. Oh please, banana bean, smell good. Come on, get out of the
My
freaking
personal
package.
opinion, I don't like bananas, so
Wait, I might just like to smell this one. It smells like, okay, if y'all have ever tried the banana candies as a kid, like the little bitty hard banana candies and the yellow ones, it kind of smells like those. The gummy ones, though, not the hard ones, come think of it. Yeah, the gummy ones. It smells like the gummy, the gummy,
oh, it smells good.
it smells like the gummy bananas that you would get out of the store. That's yellow, and it just has powdered sugar on it like freaking crazy.
Yeah.
That's what it smells like.
And
And she hates bananas. It
I
smells
hate bananas, but it still smells good.
good. Yeah, it squeezes really well.
And it's extremely soft and flexible.
Yeah, very flexible. It's very flexible.
One moment.
And if you squeeze it, it's kind of slow. It's in between the slow and fast. Recommend this one. Does not smell that bad. Lynn, is your phone under there?
Yeah.
That creeped me out. Next, pick one.
I want to go with
this.
I'm gonna see what the animals smell like. But
I'm really scared to see what the animals with the horns smell like. They both have there's the horns sticking out.
Oh my gosh, this one smells really, 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 really
Okay, it's really hard to carry. Smell something that good. Hand that over. I bought them. Oh! I had to breathe that in.
Like
You're keeping that one. You can take that one home.
It smells really good. It's not that squishy though. It's hard to squish.
It smells like chemicals.
And it's really, really, really slow rising. But
It's like really slow. Well, it's okay slow.
it's
I'm gonna get a headache after this from smelling all this.
I don't like this. Well, I like it, but it's really, really slow.
That's the satisfaction in it. No, you're keeping this thing. It stinks.
Okay.
My animal. I'm keeping this one no matter how bad it smells. I'll squish the smell out of this one if it smells terrible. I'll be like really disappointed if it smells disgusting.
Can you open it?
Oh, there it is. There it is. From the behind. Okay, so here's this one. We'll give it away. I'm scared. I can't. It smells good. It smells like a cookie I'm used to. There it is. Coconut cookie. It's saying a coconut and then a cookie. Smell it like. Coconut cookie?
It smells like a coconut cookie. And it's squishy.
And it's very, no, that's squishy. It's supposed to be squishy. But anyway, this one, kind of slow. It's not, well, it's kind of flexible, but I would not recommend trying to bend this one like you would do the freaking banana that just bends in any shape. Do not bend it like this with the unicorn, because it would probably rip it. And to me, unicorns, well, I have a lot of pictures of unicorns in my room. It's been my dream. But anyway, the unicorn, it has a lot of pretty colors on it. The eyeballs are really nice. A lot of pretty colors. Tail's purple. I'm so glad this don't have that much pink, because I don't really like pink that much, but I love a unicorn. That makes no sense. But recommend the unicorn. If you like coconut, the smell of coconut cookies, I so recommend this. Caitlin, yours. I'm so scared right now.
Last but not least.
You should have grabbed the strawberries, and I should have got them the lemon. I would have gotten all the small good ones. I'm scared, Lynn. Is it good?
Oh, it's really squishy. It smells good.
Hey, whatever ones I don't.
Oh my god, it really does.
I'm scared. My nostrils are so different from hers. Oh, this thing's so slow.
Smell the tail. Smell right there whenever you squish it.
Kills me.
It
I don't
smells
like that
really
smell.
good. Okay, well I like smell personally, and then it squishes, but it's really soft to squish, and it's really really slow rising. It has cute little eyes that look like bugs with little long eyelashes. It's so cute.
Yeah, you can keep that one.
It's in my trees. It has a horn. It's a whale-horn.
There's a certain type of like whale-like thing that has a horn, but it's supposed to be the horn thing's supposed to be right here. Or
It's a
narwhal.
whale-horn.
It's called a narwhal, you know, but the horn's supposed to be moved from here to here. But I guess it works for kids' dream. So, recommend these. Do not smell the strawberry. The extra one, you might get a different one if you buy these. I have no idea. But this one also slow rising. If I've already talked about this, I don't know. But anyway, I recommend this one. I recommend them all to play with. I only recommend certain ones. So if you like the smell of banana gummies, recommend the banana.
This one's my all-time favorite. Just saying.
It smells so good. It has a mix of gummy banana smell with a little bit of slight chemical. Oh boy. And then this one, just pure coconut cookie in it. It smells so good. I recommend the unicorn if you love coconut cookies.
I recommend them all, honestly.
This thing just smells like pure chemical.
No, it doesn't.
To me it does.
Smell right here.
Oh
Watch.
no, I'm not gonna.
Watch.
Probably gonna die. This thing's so
Smell right
slow.
there whenever. Oh, it might be that.
Out of here. Yeah, use for football outside. Okay.
This one's my favorite.
This one's my favorite. Coconut cookies. So bye guys. See you at the next
y'all
time.
have a good day.
Okay, that was awkward ending. But bye guys. See you in the next video. She might not be in it.
Bye-bye.
Get out. There's probably spiders.